Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to explain you how we can do this model in AutoCAD 3D. So you can see here in this drawing we have a top view, we have a front view and then side view. So whenever you are getting this type of model and you can start with a 2D, okay? Reason so you are not going starting with the 3D. Don't do that. If you have a proper dimensioning, okay, then go with the top view. So let's start. You can see here this is our AutoCAD screen, but 2D AutoCAD screen. We have a line, polyline, but where we have to work? We need to work in a 3D. So on this right side, the bottom, you can see here we have a setting. Click here and then choose the 3D modeling. Whenever you are choosing a 3D modeling, then you are getting all the 3D tools and we can easily work. Okay, so whenever you are working with the 3D screen, but we are going to start with the 2D drawing. So be sure on the right side, on the left side, you have to choose a top and then 2D wireframe. Okay, but you have to choose top and then 2D wireframe. So let's start. Take a line and then first we have to draw this 48. Line, L enter, 48 and then enter. Okay. Next 36. L enter. Click here, drag your mouse and 36. Next you can see here that's 9. Offset 9 and then close it. L, that's it. Now select both the line, use a mirror, MI, enter, just choose the mid button, click here, again you have to drag your mouse and then click, enter. Okay, if you are not getting this mid, then you have to select the snap and click here on this. You can see here there is arrow and then choose the mid, then you can easily choose, or you are getting the key, this one is a midpoint. So take a line, L enter, and then we have to draw one center line. Let's check. Next one we need this 63 because we have to draw the circles and then we need this line, that is 63. Offset O, enter, 63, enter, select this line and drag your mouse on the right side and then again you have to click here, enter. Next we need a 90. Offset 90, click here, drag your mouse and then second click, enter. This 60 line you have to little bit move it so that we can work easily. Select and save. Next you can see here same thing we have to do, that means 9 offset 9 on outer side and this size is 36. Offset 18, first click, second click, first click and then second click. Now we can trim, TR, enter, select this line, enter and then erase it. Okay, TR, double enter. Now you can use the double enter. This part is done. Next we have to draw these circles and then you can see here circle, center to center circle dimension is 68. Okay, so we have to same offset 68, 34. First click on right side and left side we have to do the same thing. We are getting the circle mid and then you can see 5 into 16 dia means 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers and 16 dia. C, enter, circle command you have to use, click on this mid and then D, type a D, enter, 16, enter. Okay, what I did, C, enter, click here, drag your mouse, D, enter, 16, enter. This part is done. Now we don't need the extra lines, so we can trim easily. Next, that is 5, radius is 18, same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, radius. This time we need to draw the radius. C, enter, click here, drag your mouse and then 18. Click here, drag your mouse and then 18. Okay. Now I'm just extending because we don't need this part. TR double enter, trim this area. TR double enter, I'm just trimming. Trim this one. Now you can see here 4 numbers and then radius is 9. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, radius is 9. So in this case we are not going with the circle command. So now we are using the arc command. In this arc we have so many arcs, but what we have? We know the midpoint, starting point, we know where is the end point, and we know the value of the radius. So now you have to use start end radius. Start end, what about the radius? 9. Okay, so in this case I'm just selecting first here and then second here. So I'm just going to show you same thing here. So what's going, you can see, select, okay, sorry, select start and radius, that is starting point and ending point. But in this case if I'm just going with the arc, it will go like outside. You can hold it and then you can shift the direction. Okay, but what's the if you don't want to do that, so first you have to click on the upper side and then bottom side. Now you can get the perfectly thing. What about the radius? 9. Enter. Okay, so there is, see, if you are going with that, it's like a radius is a 9. Line is perfectly fine. So first, second and radius is 9. There is invalid thing, let me check. So in this case you can see it's like a little bit different compared to this one. So what we have to do, first let's take the center point of this and extend. Okay, this part is extended and it will go, where is the center? See, it's go in the this side. So let's take a reference line. Starting point is here, ending point is here, and then you have to choose this part. So it will go like this. That is the first option. And second thing, we can use a start end, first thing, second thing, and then you can do it, but it will go like a very big. So we will go with this one. Let's erase this line and then we don't need. So now select both the sizes, mirror, first click and then second click, and then extend this part. This part is okay. Now what we have to do, just trim this one and next we have to draw only this part, this one. Okay, you can see center to bottom, that height is 30 and from this side that is 36. So what we have to do, take line 36, 30, 36 and then 30. Select this circle and this one, copy, pick on the from the mid one and then you can paste here. Okay, now use a boundary line, BO, enter, choose a polyline, click on the pick point, first click, second click. Okay, what I did, polyline, pick point and then choose like this, so that we are getting small parts and then we can join these all things. Now we have to convert this is top to isometric. Use a extrude command, EXT, enter, whenever you are getting like a full means in this polyline, because this is going like, let me show you, see this, like this, then select and then enter, type 9. Why I am choosing a 9, you can see that thickness is 9. Okay, now change the 2D wireframe to shaded, EXT, enter, select, enter, extrude, 9. Okay, you can see now it's coming in the like a two parts, na? So we have to merge or union. Use the union command. U and I, enter, select this part and then select this part. Okay, same we have to do this one. Ext, enter, select. See, whenever you are getting only single line means we are selecting the wrong thing. So what's happening? You can see it's coming on this like this. There is nothing, means there is nothing thickness. It just like a paper thickness. Okay, so what we need a 9. What you have to do, you normally click if you are selecting OK. If you are not getting, then normally delete this part little bit. Ext, enter, now just select. Now it's coming OK. Okay, 9. That's why you have to convert into shaded, so that you are getting ki this will go like in the some thickness, or it will go like a paper wala see. Same thing you have to do with the 4 parts. And use the union command. UNI, select one by one. So now it's come into the one part. So what we have to do, we have to place this one. This part is done. If you are like going with the top view, then we have to place these things. So what we have to do, we have to change the direction. So in this case, we have to use 3D rotate command. 3D rotate, enter, select your this part, enter, and on the red axis we have to rotate, select and then type 90. Okay, now move it, enter, select this part and then just choosing a one corner. Now move it, select, copy. Same thing you have to do, one more copy on this side for this side, and then we have to same thing in the rotate. 3D rotate, select. In this case now we have to rotate on the blue axis. Just check the axis and then you can work easily. Move and then place here. See, now we are getting all the part, and you can use the orbit command, orbit, and then you can orbit easily. Hope so it's clear. And now we have a 4 part. You can first, second, third. If you are okay and then you are very confident ki yes, these all are like a okay, now you can union. Okay, before like a final, don't use the union command. At the end you have to use, because if you are using the union, then you can't break easily. You can break it, but there is so many issues. So be sure ki first you have to done with your working and then you can start. So that is a custom view. Same you can go with the isometric. Now you can done with your 3D modeling and then you can erase it. We don't need the 2D lines. Hope so it's clear ki how to work with the 3D modeling whenever you are working with the AutoCAD. And you can use other modeling softwares also, but I'm just using the AutoCAD 3D. Thank you.